Ciao beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are well, having a good week. Today we are going to be making some tags slash bookmarks. The base of those is a collection of tags slash bookmarks from my VIP lounge membership, and then on top I have used some of the Gustav Klimt work illustrations from a vintage book. In case you guys don't know, you're new to my channel, my VIP lounge membership, as the word says, is a membership that I offer on my website, where every month you get lovely digital papers. It is now available on my website where you can literally click and download them all. Okay, so let me showcase the papers and everything else you get for the month of January. The first kit that you get is called A Cold Walk in the Woods. I wanted to create something that, of course, is winter, and I don't know about you guys, but here in Sheffield we have had our first snow. It's been absolutely freezing, so it don't look like that where I live, but in some of the parks the snow has been quite deep. Yeah, so I wanted to create a pack that is still wintry without looking Christmassy, but still celebrates the winter, the colds, and the kind of like when you walk into the woods you find all these lovely woodlands animals, etc, etc. So this is probably one of my favorite page. I wanted to give you some iced cold butterflies, so I picked these colors with this effect. So again, you can, mix and match with anything. Another 2 pages, you can use this as a journal page or cards template, or you just simply cut the section that you need. The choice is yours. Okay, I can't lift it up. Oh, that's it. And then last, you get this page here with the 4 backgrounds. Again, I designed this in mind to be used as a cards background, either like greetings card or vintage cards, so you can do what you want. Okay, you also get 1 page, the 2026 calendar with each month, because I'm gonna do a project with this, so you guys can see. Every year I do my own desk calendar, so yeah, keep watching because that will make sense. Also, every month you get a collection of tags or bookmarks. Use them as you wish, and this month is this one here. Again, I wanted to keep it quite wintry and cold with the lovely blues, but also wanted to give you a pop of color with some roses. Okay, so this one here. Every month you also get a 3D letter gift box. We've done all the alphabet up to letter U, so this is the month letter U. So you get the assembly instruction and of course the template, and I'm going to show you in just a second what the letter looks like when it's done up. It's very, very simple. This is probably one of the easiest letters to make because you've got all the panels that you glue together in the bottom here. But let me show you what the letter U looks like when it's done up. This is what it looks like, and it stands on its own because it's a 3D U. So we got both sides got lovely butterflies, and then on the paper, because I had quite a lot of space left on the second page, I just give you some butterflies embellishments that you can fussy cut and create other decorations. Okay, let me show you the complete alphabet that we've done so far. So we've got letter A, B, C, D. Got them all in here. If I can reach. E, F, G, H, I, and each letter of course is different, depends on the month that we've done it. And then we got J, K, L, M, N, O, E, Q, and R, S, lovely like velvet florally, and then T. And every month you get a digital magazine, and this month is the lovely Gardener's World magazine that you can download and print, or you can just download on your iPad or your PC or your Mac and just read it. Okay, so this is the PDF. So this magazine is the BBC Gardener's World. If you are from the UK, you recognize this. So yeah, it's super cute. You get loads of inspiration. You can also print some on the pages and create your own project. But yeah, it's completely up to you what you do. But every month you get a different magazine. And this is the Gardener's World from January 2017. So please enjoy reading it. And then if you print some of the pages, I would love to see what you make. And last, yes, you get lots of treats. Last but not least, every month you get a little present for me. And this month is an additional collection full of lovely birds. Again, I took inspiration from the cover of the Gardener's World magazine with a little bird. And I created a collection of lovely birds. Yeah, super cute. Look at that. This is probably my favorite. Again, I wanted to all feel very wintry, like very cold and winter, without looking too Christmassy, because of course we passed December. So you get a collection of 3 pages. This is my little gift to you. And then you've got a little ephemera here. Now those 2, you can use them as tags, but they're meant to be like belly bands to put on your journal. So you just simply glue the top and bottom and you just slide your ephemera or documents. So you get 2 of those and a lovely page. Okay guys, so the starting point is this page here, the one with the well, I call them bookmarks because in my head that's what they are, but I show you how to turn this into lovely tags. I have got from a charity shop, what you guys call thrift stores in America, I guess. This one here is the life and works of Gustav Klimt. Klimt is one of my favorite artists, and then I got this, was very cheap, it was literally like £1 or 2. So it was a very good bargain. So I got here some pages that I want to use. So this is Judith. Oh god, this is what, I don't know what this is called. I could have checked before I print them rip them off, to be fair. But anyway, what I thought we will do, I'm going to cut these and put them on top of my floral, because one of the reasons why I love Gustav Klimt is because he uses lots of golds, and I, as you guys know, I am obsessed with gold. Absolutely obsessed. So yeah, so we're gonna do that. So what I'm in my head, I'm going to cut each tags, put on a little bit of cardstock because I want them to be quite heavy, and then probably distress the edge of with, I got some gold wax. This is the gilding wax from Pebeo, and the name of the excuse me, the name of the color is Renaissance Gold. That's what it looks like. So these are wax. They also use it for like furnitures, like, you know, to like color furnitures. I normally use the tip of my finger. So I'm gonna do that, and then yeah, put this on top. And I thought each tag will have this gold tassel on the bottom, but because what I was thinking, I need to trim this. So what I was thinking, so to glue this in between the 2 layers of the paper and the cardstock, so I'm just going to do that. Okay, like, let me cut everything and I'll be right back. I put together, oopsie, the tags. What I love about Klimt, he used to paint all these shapes, all these lovely characters very fluidly. So he's very famous for his fluidity, I think he says in English. So this is what my tags look like. I think it works. I think it really works. So what I thought we'll do, I will probably put this into that. and then put literally like this bit there underneath, like so. Yeah, so I'm gonna do it. Oh, can you see what I'm doing? No. Okay, now you can. So that's kind of, yeah, it should, yeah, it should, yeah, it should work. Let me try it and I'll be right back. Okay, so they're done. What do you think? So I have used 2 of the glittery background. So this is one. That's 2. And then I have used the plain, light plain, matte gold with the tassel on the bottom. Which one do you think it works best? I like them both, I must admit. I think both gold work really well because the tassel is gold. I don't know, I just think the background with the flowers, the pink and the blue, I always said, if you watch my videos religiously, that I love the contrast of baby blue and gold and pink and gold. I think it works loads, especially the baby blue and the gold as a combination. I think is fantastic, but that's, you know, my preference. You might think I'm losing my marble, but I do like it. Sorry about the glare of the light. I think that's probably better. Yeah, let me know in the comment if you like the glitter of the matte one, and yeah, and also if you don't have these images, if you don't have any books, just print them off from Google. So download the actual image, print them off using your printer, and then cut like I did. But you don't have to use Klimt. You can use any other a favorite artist, anything that you want. I also could have used some of this gold because I was even thinking, should I make a hole and make like a tags? But I probably, I don't know if you can see them yet. I think it works better with the tassel on the bottom rather than a hole on the top. I just think it's more, what's the word I'm missing? It's more finished, like it's more neat. That's the word I was missing. Right, I'm going to go because I'm bluffering. Guys, if you wish to join my VIP lounge membership, let me show you where you can find them on my website. This is my website. So on the home page, you recognize, because there is a lovely butterfly there. So you see all my papers, okay? So I merged all my papers into bundles. So you got 12 bundles all together, all different season, etc., etc. Then you have my books. Love them, love them, love them. These are basically collection of digital papers by style and imaginary. Because these are the books. So just show you one. So each book has got front page, so you can put your name in it, and then you can scan, get it to my website, and then yeah, that's all the papers. Now, I love to put them as a book, so I can use this as a reference, and then I simply print the pages that I need every time I make a project. So I print one of everything and use it as a reference guide, as a book, and then when I need it, I just reprint the page. Okay, and then at the last page here, you've got all my collections, all my books that are part of my catalogue. Okay. Then you have my VIP lounge. My VIP lounge is a monthly membership or yearly membership where every month you get, when you join the £2 a month, you get 30% discount across everything on my website. So all my papers, all my book will be 30% off. Unique digital design and collection. So every month you will be able to download paper that's specifically designed for my VIP members. Digital bookmarks and tags. Again, they will change on a monthly basis. A digital magazine you can download and read, and also you can create. A gift box template. We're doing alphabet, and then soon we're going to move into numbers. And last is a gift from me every month, which is an additional papers pack. Yeah, you get quite a lot for £2 a month, which the cheaper is less than the price of a coffee. You can opt out to the £5 ones, which you get everything that you get with the £2 month, but as an additional, you get a digital book of your choice from my online catalog. So when you go into my book, you get one of these every month. You decide, so you can collect them all. Okay, so you can pay monthly, or you can have one payment on the yearly, where it's £20 a year. Okay, so you just pay once. On this, you pay monthly. On this, you only pay once. And these are the lovely feedback from my VIP members, and I really appreciate every single one of you. And here on the corner, my social media tags. Hey guys, I'm going to go big thumbs up if you like this video. Really, truly appreciate it, because it helps with my journey here on YouTube. And yeah, just subscribe. I would love to join my VIP membership, so we can have chats every month, etc. So yeah, that's it. Have a wonderful day, and until next time, stay safe and well. Mwah. Bye.